Yeah, this shit around the clock. So I can't stop. I just let the bank get made a deposit. What is it?